Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jay's Ardet, just bringing you unboxing of the women's Air Jordan 2. I'm not even sure if they call it multicolor. I guess I missed out on the on release date. They had sold out. It was really frustrating, especially considering they were on StockX for $40 over retail. I just actually happened to be on line late one morning, or should I say late one night, and seen them fully restocked, and I jumped on them quick. So here goes the unboxing. I hadn't really seen an unboxing, hadn't really seen too many detailed pictures or even videos or whatever, so decided I'd I guess show you guys. But here they are, and I must say they are crazy. I love them. I'm a big fan of twos, so I'm glad I was able to get them. And them being a women's release, I'm glad they came in a 12, which is a men's 10.5, which is my size. So I got lucky there. I don't know what else we can say about them. Materials are dope. You got patent leather, you got like a basketball leather, you got mesh, you got suede, and then you got regular leather as well. So the materials are pretty crazy on these. Love it. Details are dope too. Like actually on the tongue, I don't know if you can see, but it's like I don't know what you would call it, a sateen kind of material, and it's got the actual printed Wings Jumpman on there, or not Jumpman, but Wings logo, my bad. And show you the back. It's patent leather on the back of that, and it says Nike, which I always love when they put the Nike on it, but I just don't understand why you put Nike on the back and then put Jordan on the bottom. But that it is what it is. They do come with these lavender laces, which is extremely weird to me, because who the hell is gonna put these laces in these shoes? There's no lavender nowhere else on the shoe, so it doesn't make any sense. So these are gonna pretty much stay in the box forever unless I come across another pair of shoes that can use some sparkling lavender laces. Anyways, let me take the shoe tree out. They do have a nice kind of it's not a wax lace, but it's a I don't know what you would call it. A different, it's a cotton kind of lace, and they're cool. They're different than the typical laces that you would get, the really flat ones. I was thinking about doing a lace swap to like another color, but I'm not even sure if it's really a point, and I'm sure these laces are really long. But I don't know, you doubt you can see, but in one shoe it has the red sock liner with the Jumpman in there, and then in the other shoe it has the blue liner with the Jumpman. And I mean, I guess it's a foot liner or foot, insole basically. But these are definitely dope. Another thing that I noticed was the midsole is like painted. And I would assume it's kind of it's an off-white, probably sail, they would call it. Let me see what it says on the box. I'm not sure if it does. Yeah, it doesn't say. It's just a university / black colorway, so very misleading. But I feel like this midsole is definitely gonna crack. The paint, you know what I mean? Paint's gonna start cracking over time, which sucks. Because it's gonna hinder the look of it at some point. Patent leather also is kind of weird. I'm not sure if it was meant to have like a texture to it, but it has like this crinkly texture to it, and I'm not sure if it's just because it's a low quality patent leather, or if it's just You know what I mean? I don't know. They intended for it to be that way. But overall, I love them. Even the sock liner, or I'm sorry, the tongue, it has a 23 in different colors. So pretty much every panel on this shoe, on these shoes, is a different color, which I love. I was hearing that they were called the Rivals, you know, Air Jordan 2 Rivals, but then I was seeing multicolor too, so I'm sure you can probably call them anything you want to call them at this point. But yeah, I'm super excited that I was able to get these, and of course for retail, which was $190. And I did see that they were gone on Finish Line's website, which I got these from, and I'm not sure about some of the other sites. There might be sizes still left, but I know that they were a lot of the smaller sizes. So yeah, it is what it is, but I'm definitely glad to have them. And you know, let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching, and I'll definitely start to do more pickup reviews and so forth. Also, the box, it's white with just a gold Jumpman, which I'm not sure I've seen on any other release. They might have, maybe the women's releases come like this now, but I don't know. I see the boxes on releases, but yeah, just white with the gold Jumpman, which I thought was a little different. Cool though. But anyways, thanks for watching. J's Are Dead. Please make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share. We're trying to make this a thing, you know, get this going. Also check out my first video I did, where I basically show you guys how I Photoshop shoes. We're gonna definitely be doing more of that. I'm gonna at some point start from the very basic of you know, picking the shoe out, layering it, how I color it, and all of that. But just make sure you stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Peace.